guys, welcome back to my channel. Give this channel a big thumbs up, a subscribe, and yeah, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna be doing our slime collection. Okay, so
sorry if our cheeks are red. We just got out of the pool and we've been.
Okay, so here it is. Yeah, we have a big collection, guys. But that is good. Okay, so we are going to be picking
our first one that we're going to be doing and showing you guys. I'm going to pick this one.
I'm going to pick this one.
So here is this foam bead slime. So
purple with beads.
We want them to see this.
Okay.
Let's open. I love this one.
Green with glitter.
Okay, so don't mind that noise, guys. It's doggies and
yeah, our dogs.
Yeah. Okay, so here's it. It stretches really good. It clicks.
Here is the foam slime. It's really good of a slime.
Yeah.
Miley made this one.
I'm Miley. That is Jaylee, and this is Caden. Yeah. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. That's our
First one.
Now put them in a pile right here. Okay.
Okay.
And Caden, show yours. Show yours.
Show yours.
This is a green slime with some glitter in it by Miley
Okay.
that she made.
That one.
And this is what it. And this is what it feels like.
So that zoom in.
Yeah. Okay. So
here is this fluffy. It's like a greenish bluish. Like
this is a peaches.
it's a fluffy slime. Of course, we have fluffy slimes. It's kind of like a butter slime. Caden doesn't really know the names.
So we're gonna be helping him. This is peach.
And this is this slime. It's really good.
This
This is the blueberry slime.
Okay.
is kinetic sand slime.
It clicks really good.
Yeah, mine does too.
This one doesn't really click very good.
And
But
yeah.
stretchy.
It is illustrated by Miley Graphics.
Now I'm
All
going to
of these
pick.
are by Miley Graphics.
So these have two in them. Me and Miley both made this. So this one's Miley's. It's blue and it's a blue raspberry. And then I made this one.
And this is the one I already showed you, which
I made
this
it.
is the one that Jaylee, Norris,
And Miley Guapas.
and Caden
Brown.
Yeah.
I
do
That's
that.
what we can
This one. The bleach. Or Tide.
Is
Call it
it
the
Tide or bleach?
Call it the ocean slime.
The ocean slime.
Okay, so
This is the ocean slime.
and it stretches really good.
That's what it's word.
Close it. Okay.
Don't mind that noise.
This is a smoothie that we.
No, I'm just kidding. So this is my smoothie. I just made it it's kind of like a lava lamp, but I want to kind of keep it like this. It's really cool. Okay, I want to keep it. It's really good. I love this.
Okay.
And then
I think we showed them all.
No, we didn't show them these.
Okay,
Okay.
you can show them this one.
Okay, I'll show them. I'll show them one of my.
And this is a jiggly slime.
And then we have these. Here you go,
That's
Miley.
jiggly slime.
And it is made by Miley Graphics.
This one was made by me. This one, and then that one was made by Miley. This is also a kinetic sand. It's the grass slime.
Here is a rainbow slime.
And
And yeah, that is our slime collection. So yeah, we will be making more videos.
And we're gonna be
yeah, and it's gonna be of different things, but it's gonna be like the same kind of. Yeah.
That's
See you later. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
And turn on all of our social media, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Musical.ly.
And post
Good.
notifications.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And